How to log in to Temu. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can sign in or log in into your Temu account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Temu app. After you open it up, there you will find a U option. Tap on U on the bottom. Then there you will see an option that says sign in or register. Let me tap on leave here. So there you'll find the sign in and register option. Tap on it. Then you'll be prompted to this page where you can sign in. So here I'll just tap on this and this is what you guys will see. So right here you can choose different options to log in, that is using your Apple, your Google, your Facebook, email and phone number. Choose whichever one that's the most comfortable with you. I'll choose continue with Google. After that, choose your Google account and then tap on continue again. Then you'll be logged in into your account. And it's basically that simple, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.